What up, y'all? Welcome back to the 50 state series where I'm going to each state to try their most iconic food. And today we are going to the great state of North Carolina. But first, last episode I had shrimp and grits here in Anderson, South Carolina at Metro Diner. It was interesting. It was very delicious, very good. The shrimp was a unique touch, but the grits itself were fantastic. But as you know, we gotta put it somewhere on our list among all of these other great things we've already had. And after some thought and digestion, I decided to put shrimp and grits at number 10 on our list for now. The grits were delicious, the shrimp was interesting, and altogether it made for a fantastic brunch. My stomach is full and I'm feeling great to start this long road trip. And speaking of, let's take a look at where we're going. And it looks like our next stop will be a supercharger in Asheville, North Carolina. We absolutely do not need to charge, but where we're going is actually right by that charger. So we'll stop there first, let them out, enjoy our time in North Carolina a bit, maybe sightsee for the first time on this trip. This should be a shorter day, but we'll see. That usually doesn't work out. So let's just go to charge and see what happens. Come on, did you really think it wasn't gonna rain today? It wouldn't be a Vegas-Carmen cross-country road trip if it wasn't raining. So this is just par for the course, and it should pass pretty quickly. Don't want to expect anything, but it should pass. So I kind of forgot, well, I didn't forget, but I didn't realize how in the middle of the Appalachian Mountains this route will be taking us. I'm looking around and I was like, what the heck, like where are we? It's beautiful over here, all this mountains and green trees. But I was looking at our route and where I planned to stay the night was in a pretty remote area with not many things or chargers around and a lot of hills. Don't want to risk it. So I think I said earlier today that today might be a shorter day. I'm calling an audible on that as well. Today will be a longer day for sure, but that will make tomorrow a shorter day. So long day ahead of us. That's all right. I'm feeling good. They're napping. Well, Brody's up now, but we should be all right. So I'm gonna mix things up a little bit here. It's gonna be on and off raining for the next 10 or 15 minutes. So instead of charging now, I'm gonna eat first because I wanna walk them while it's charging. And if it's raining, I can't do that. And they're the priority, you guys know that. So we're gonna eat first and then go charge, let them out. And that's what's gonna happen. And we are here where we're gonna eat. So let me show you. So, welcome to North Carolina. We're at Bojangles here in Asheville. I don't know if there is some sort of battle between North and South Carolina. Like in Chicago, we have the North and South side, Cubs versus Sox. I don't know if it's like that here. And if it is, I apologize if I'm doing it North Carolina dirty by going here, because I know you guys have some good barbecue, but like, it's Bojangles. As a matter of fact, Bojangles was founded in Charlotte, North Carolina in 1977, and they are all over the state. I do my research, you guys know this. I've got a few state-known restaurants on this list. We've been to Runza already in Nebraska, and now we're at Bojangles in North Carolina. I make the rules. If you guys don't like it, you can leave hate comments. That's totally fine. I know the fried chicken's pretty good, and then the biscuits, I think, is what they're really known for. So let's go ahead, go in, and get some fried chicken and biscuits. Actually, not go in because they're renovating in there. It's only drive-through, so let's go drive through and get some chicken and biscuits. Hey, can I just get like the 2-piece chicken and a biscuit on the side? There you go. Thank you. Have a good day. And it looks like it's not raining right now. Let's see if we can sneak in the back end and give this a try. Got this, don't worry. Also got some Bojangles. I don't think we got any napkins. Oh, we do have napkins in here, that's great. I was ready to raw dog it if I had to, but we got some napkins. Just a simple 2-piece chicken. Guys, I had that shrimp and grits like an hour and a half ago. I'm not hungry, I'm just here for the video. We're also in the parking lot of a Krispy Kreme right across from the Bojangles, and the smell of fresh donuts and chicken together is something magical right now. White shirt should be okay here. Nothing dripping, but we'll see. Biscuit, Bojangles, cheers. Don't know if I had the biscuit last time I was there in Vegas like 2 years ago, so this might be a first. Yeah, that flavor, something in there is hitting. Simple, but it tastes really good. It tastes fresh. Honestly, for a fast food biscuit, this might be a fresh one. I'm more of a leg guy than a thigh guy for chicken, and probably my body too, but just easier to eat, not as messy. I like boneless, honestly, but I mean, we're at Bojangles, gotta get bone in. Cheers for the chicken. Oh, wait, that's so freaking hot. Just burned my lip for that bite. Why is it spicy? A little spicy, just a little bit. Tolerable, but a little bit. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. I like it. You know, I must have got a fresh batch. The biscuit's great, and the chicken is too freaking hot to even hold. But as far as this meal goes, I think I got one more bite in me, and that's the best I can do. So I'm gonna take that from the biscuit, and then we'll go charge and hang out there with them, get them around before I let you guys know what I think. Sorry for the mix-up, but taking care of them. It didn't even rain. I was just being cautious. Bojangles. We are in the parking lot of a shopping center again. A lot of things around there. Let's go ahead and plug in. I just set up that camera and my car told me we have enough charge to go. I know, we don't need to charge, but they need to get out and walk around a little bit. All right, boys, and get some water too. And maybe get some biscuit from Bojangles. Ooh. Brody. What? That's big enough for both. Yeah, whatever. All right, boys, no chicken because he's allergic. But I'll give boys a little bit of biscuit. Watch out, Brody. Oh, watch your head, man. Brody, you're so oblivious. It is pretty quiet over here, and we do have a big area to run around in if we need to. Oh no, it's starting to rain. My plan backfired so bad. It didn't rain at all while I was eating. Oh, sorry, boys. I decided to sit under a tree and I'm still getting a little wet. I'm not gonna let them get wet because then they'll stink and they won't be happy. But we are in North Carolina. The episode here is a bit mixed up, but I'm not gonna forget the new state unlocked of North Carolina, of course. So let's go ahead, put it on the board, and this is what we look like right now. I actually got a friend in North Carolina in Charlotte, shout out Matt, who moved here from Las Vegas like 2 years ago. And he's been a pretty big inspiration of mine, honestly. I graduated from physical therapy school like almost 4 years ago now. Met him. He's a physical therapist himself. He does like strength and conditioning stuff, but he has his own courses, his own content. Tried to follow his footsteps a little bit, do my own thing. Did all right, nothing for like a career. And then eventually I started doing Tesla YouTube videos for fun, and this is how that turned out. And I don't know, man, I think I don't know if I would have been doing like content as seriously if I didn't see it was possible to make a career out of it from him. So I haven't been doing physical therapy for a couple months now. I've just been doing full-time on here, honestly. I got fired from my job, which sounds worse than it is because I was kind of in the air of if I should leave or not to pursue YouTube and see if I can make it work. And then that happened and I was like, well, I gotta make it work now. I mean, I could have got another job if I wanted to, but I was like, might as well try. Anyways, with that long story, just shout out Matt. And this rain is getting worse, so let's pack up and talk about Bojangles, I guess. Bojangles, you know, nothing crazy, but it wasn't bad at all. And the biscuit was definitely way better than I remembered. I don't know if I even got it last time, to be honest, but that biscuit was great. Had a good time, very full though, so I'm gonna let it digest and think about it. But for now, thanks for watching in North Carolina. Sorry, North Carolina. You guys stop having it rain so much and I'll spend more time here and do more things. But when it's raining, I gotta be inside. And we're not really doing much today. So tomorrow I will see you guys in a new state and we'll talk about where we drink Bojangles. But for now, thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow.